welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So it's no secret to you guys, I love Sigma. I've been using Sigma products since I started my YouTube channel a million years ago, and there's not one product that they've ever done that I've ever been disappointed by. So that, my friends, is why they are one of my top brands in the entire world. One of the other reasons I love Sigma so much is because they're always coming out with innovative makeup products. They're not a cheap brand. They don't follow what other brands have done and then copy it. They kind of make the rules in the game and they come up with their own products, and they're always designing and they're always thinking like what's missing in the makeup industry that they could create that we would love. And I'm so excited because they've come out with a brand new brush cleaner, which is absolutely epic. Like, I've used Sigma brush cleaners before and they're very, very good. Don't get me wrong, they're absolutely amazing and I'll show you them at the end of the video. But this new product that they've come out with is bloody brilliant. Now, so you guys are aware, this video is sponsored, and you might be thinking to yourself, oh, she's only saying that the product's amazing because the video is sponsored. Well, I'm not, and you're about to find out why. Wait till you guys see for yourself. All right, I'll just show it to you now because I keep on harping on about it. Look at this, guys! So this is the brand new Sigmagic Scrub. It is a solid brush cleanser. So this here is the lid. This lid is vented, which means that your solid cleanser will stay dry and therefore germ-free. So then at the back here, you've got these suction cups. And what you do with these is you stick your solid cleanser to the side of your sink. Then inside the case, you have your super concentrated solid cleanser. So this will remove any makeup on your brushes. It'll clean your brushes, it'll clean your beauty blenders. And see these tiny little pink dots here? This is a deep scrubbing texture. So what this does is it kind of deep cleans your brushes, deep cleans your sponges, so that the product is worked right down into the roots of the bristles and your brushes come out super clean. Another great thing about this product is that the plastic that it's made out of is recyclable and eco-friendly. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take you guys downstairs into my kitchen and I'm going to show you this guy in action. You will not believe your eyes. It is amazing. The crazy thing is I actually get excited about washing my brushes now, and before it used to be such a chore, but this thing is like, I don't know, it makes it fun. So first of all, what I'm going to do is use these suction cups here and I'm going to stick the Sigmagic Scrub against the side of my sink. And that's just handy because it means I don't have to get my hands all dirty and I don't have to hold it. It just makes life easier. So I'm going to show you first of all how it cleans this extremely dirty kabuki brush. This is the Sigma Round Kabuki F82 brush. As you can see, it is extremely, extremely dirty. It's got foundation all over it and all through its bristles. This would usually be really hard to get clean. But all I'm going to do is run some water over it and then I'm going to work it into the deep scrubbing texture and the solid cleanser. And as you can see, the makeup is just literally running off the brush. It's amazing. I'm going to keep doing that until the brush looks clean, and then I'm just going to give it a little rinse and the brush is clean. It is literally that easy to wash your brushes. It's crazy. Now I'm going to put this one aside to dry. Then I'm going to wash one of my favorite brushes in the world. This is the Sigma Blending E25 brush. As you can see, it's got brown eyeshadow all over it. So same as before, all I'm going to do is wet the brush, then work it through the deep scrubbing texture and the solid cleanser until it looks clean, give it a little rinse, and then set it aside to dry. I'm now going to do this with a whole bunch of my dirtiest brushes so you guys can kind of see it in action. So that's all my brushes completely clean now. Cleaning them took no time at all because this is always stuck on the side of my sink. After I finish doing my makeup in the day or sometimes in the evening, I'll just take my brushes that I used that day, go and give them a quick clean, put them out to dry, and then they're ready for my next day use. So like I said at the start of the video, I would show you the other two products that Sigma does have to clean your brushes. So this one here is the Sigmagic Brush Shampoo. It's the 100% natural liquid brush cleanser. So if a solid brush cleanser is not really up your alley and you do prefer liquid, this will be the little guy for you. Again, this one removes any makeup that's on your brushes. It's also antimicrobial. It'll kill all the germs and it's very gentle on your brushes, so it's not going to destroy them whether they're natural hair or synthetic. Then the other brush cleanser that Sigma has is the Sigmagic Brush Shampoo Foam. So this one is very similar to liquid except it's foam, which makes it a little bit handier in my opinion. So it's really up to you guys which brush cleanser you prefer. I know some people prefer liquid, some people do like foam, some people like me are lazy and don't like cleaning brushes and we want something super easy, and that's why the solid is by far my favorite. I do have a 10% off discount code for all Sigma products. The discount code is Stephanie10. I'll put it right here for you guys. I will also link every single product that I've spoken about or featured in this video in the description box down below, along with the discount code, so you can get the 10% off them. So the Sigmatic scrub costs $19, that's American dollars. You can, however, get it worldwide. Sigma ships to pretty much every country I can think of. So that brings me to the end of the video, my loves. I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much, Sigma, for sponsoring this video. I love you guys and I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. Thank you for watching. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!